Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are preparing a delicious Goan fish curry without using any oil. Get ready for a healthy and flavorsome journey into a Goan cuisine. Let's make the coconut paste for the curry. Into a blender, add some coconut with some ginger garlic, coriander seeds, red chili, cumin seeds, turmeric powder and some soaked tamarind. Add some water and make it into a fine paste. Add that into a pan with some water. Give it a mix and boil it. Once it comes to a boil, add some pieces of kokum with some salt. Once it comes to a nice boil like this, add the cleaned fish pieces. Let the fish simmer gently in this aromatic sauce for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's perfectly cooked through. And voila! Our Goan coconut paste fish curry without oil is ready to be served. This delectable dish pairs wonderfully with steamed rice or traditional Goan bread. Absolutely delightful. A burst of flavors without compromising on health. A must-try for all Goan cuisine enthusiasts. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more wholesome recipes. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.